Man, we really hate Sky Prankster. He always gets us into trouble, and he even stick him.